TheFreeTrumpCoin.com is your place to get limited edition Trump collectible coins. Get your free Donald Trump gold and silver plated coin today while supplies last. Whether you are a Trump supporter or not, one thing is certain, that Donald J. Trump will go down in history as one of the most successful presidents of the United States. Over 74 million people voted for him. And there's no better way to show your support than to get your hands on this collector's edition gold and silver plated Trump coin. Presidential memorabilia has never been so popular as in the time of Donald Trump. This coin is a symbol of President Trump's victory and success. Conservatives can't get enough of this commemorative Donald Trump coin. Here are 8 reasons why this coin is America's favorite souvenir. 1. It has the highest quality craftsmanship worthy of any collection. 2. It makes an excellent gift item. Any real patriot would love this coin. 3. The size is 1.5 inches in diameter and 1/8 of an inch thick. These are sizable coins made to impress. 4. Its quality is proof-like and maintained inside a complimentary plastic case. 5. This offer is risk-free. It comes with a full and complete 60-day money-back guarantee. If you are unhappy, you can request a full refund in the first 60 days. 6. It comes with free shipment insurance and a lifetime warranty replacement plan to protect your purchase. 7. This is not an investment of any sort, legal tender, or cryptocurrency. 8. Millions of Americans love Trump. That's why this has become the #1 best-selling memorabilia in 2021. This coin sells for $39.95 on Amazon. Today's special promotion is offering a massive discount on this item. Get your President Trump 2020 coin today. Claim one free and pay a small shipping charge, or claim several at a discount and get free shipping. No matter what option you choose, we're confident you're going to love your coins. So don't wait. Click the link in the description below to claim your free Trump coin today.